good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Serene for those that are new here. But yeah, this is my 9-month lock update. The time really just went by so fast with these, and I feel like now these are officially locks, like they're locked up. But also happy Valentine's Day. You see my flowers in the back. Well, it's the next day. Today's the 15th, but yeah, let me tell y'all, I had my first experience of a hotel room covered in roses, but that's not why you're into this video. So first I'm just gonna show you guys like the process in which I wash my hair. I only wash it probably once every couple of weeks, or when I feel like I want to retwist my hair again. I want to retwist clean hair. So I use the Dr. Bronner's peppermint oil soap. I love this soap for my body and for my hair. It just leaves my scalp feeling so refreshed and just so clean. So when I'm washing my hair, I mostly focus on my scalp just to like get off all, you know, the dirt and stuff that builds up on your scalp. I probably do that like twice, and then I go through with this Shea Moisture conditioner. I'm not really too concerned with like which conditioner I use. Like I don't have like a set conditioner. I just try different things, and my dad happened to have this, so I just used it. It smells pretty good, pretty earthy, you know. And let's just get into what my hair looks like the little curly little ends. I love that. That's really how I want my locks to be. I want all of them to look like that. But yeah, and also while my hair is still damp, I put in my hair oil. I put this in, and it's a rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. This stuff smells amazing, and it also adds to like the clean feeling on your scalp, this mixed with the peppermint oil. But I put a couple drops, and I put it on my actual hair, just like massage it in, and then I put it on my scalp, and I just massage that for maybe like 5 minutes, because this helps with like the blood flow and the circulation like getting through your head. So that's amazing. And the only time I could really massage my head is right after I wash it, because like I'm a heavy retwist type of girl. But yeah, so when I retwisted my hair, I noticed that the ends were budding, and I don't want my ends to be budded. So I just took a little rat tail comb and just kind of combed out the very end, and then just put some of the gel on it just so that I could curl up a little bit, and then, you know, just do the regular retwist the rest of the way. And during this process of retwisting my hair, they look so fluffy. Like my locks are like getting fluffier, which I really want. I want them to be fluffy goddess type of locks, you know. And then also, this is the first time I washed my hair where my hair hasn't like shrunk up so much, which is really telling me like my hair is really locking up now. It's beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, the process to retwist this time, because I added in combing the hair, took a long time. But then when I finished pinning my hair, I just left it in overnight and then just took them out the next morning. So it's the next day, and I took a shower and everything, and I'm about to just take these down. So this is the day after that, because that was Valentine's Day. So this is today, and this is what the hair is looking like. I got it in a spiky little ponytail. Let me turn around for y'all. We got the side view. We got the back view. Oh, also, I had to turn these little locks in the back into their own little locks because they were in like another lock before, but like it just wouldn't stay retwisted, and I'm just like, why? And then I realized it's because I have too much hair in that one lock. So I just took these out and I just started these new locks. But that's the back view. And then we got the other side view. And then we got the front. And we got my edges still being dramatic. And I never filmed this video, but I actually relaxed my edges. If you guys want to see that video, I can still post it, but yeah, I relaxed my edges. But yeah, so I really wanted to get this video out because I haven't had a lock update in a very long time. That's because I had these twists in, and like I really wanted to keep that style in for a while, so that was like a month. And then I did have another video I was still editing, but I wanted to post this first because like you guys haven't seen this in a while. It's such a beautiful ponytail, but I can take my hair down for a minute just to show you. But yeah, and I realized I think I'm getting more comfortable with wearing my hair out, because when I first got my locks I just went crazy buying all these scarves because, oh, should I wear it like this? Crazy wearing all these scarves because I was just very self-conscious about like the beginner lock stage, and I'm so used to wearing such long hairstyles that having short hair is still kind of like a shock to me. Like I'm still getting comfortable because like I don't really like short hair on me that much, but you know, I'm embracing the locks, and now I can fit it in a cute little ponytail. I can wear it out more. Yeah, I'm really loving it. I don't have any cons for beginning my lock journey, I guess, besides the uncomfortable stage at first, but like that was just a personal thing. It really wasn't even that serious. No one else was like, oh my god, you look crazy. It was really only me. It was in my head. But there's really no cons. I'm so happy that I made this decision. Like, no regrets at all. At all. And I just can't wait for my hair to continue growing and getting thicker. But yeah, so I'm definitely going to continue to keep you guys updated on my YouTube and also on my Instagram. If you want to follow my Instagram, you can follow my Instagram as well, because I have a highlight dedicated to my locks. So yeah, if you're ever thinking or questioning, should I get locks? Yeah, do it, because you are definitely going to love it. But yeah, why is this sticking out like that? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to continue to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos.